How kidneys clean our blood, a simple, in-depth explanation. Hello and welcome to Health Talk, made simple, by Aziz. Today we are going to explore one of the most vital and hard-working organs in our body. We will answer a very important question, and many more along the way, shining a light on these often underappreciated champions of our health. How do our kidneys clean our blood? Your kidneys work every single minute of every day, tirelessly performing a complex set of tasks to keep your entire body in balance and healthy. Think about that for a moment. Non-stop, 24/7, they are on the job. They are silent heroes, and most people do not think about them until something goes wrong. They don't ache or complain when they're overworked, which is why understanding their function is so important for prevention. But once you understand the intricate and elegant way your kidneys work, you will see just how amazing they really are. It's a masterpiece of natural engineering. Let's explain it all in a very simple way, starting with the basics. Imagine your blood as a delivery and cleanup service that travels all around your body, like a vast network of rivers and streams reaching every single cell. As it moves, it delivers essential supplies like oxygen and nutrients, but it also collects metabolic waste products from your muscles, byproducts from the food you digest, and old used-up materials from your cells. This is the trash of your body's daily activities. This waste, if left unchecked, must be removed. If this waste stays in your body, it can build up to toxic levels and becomes very dangerous, disrupting the delicate balance your body needs to function. It's like letting garbage pile up in your house. Eventually, it becomes unlivable. That is where the kidneys step in to help. Kidneys act like natural, highly advanced cleaning machines for your blood. They are the ultimate purification plants. Most people have two of these bean-shaped organs. They are located in your lower back, on either side of your spine, just under the ribs. They're tucked away safely, protected by your back muscles and rib cage. Each kidney is about the size of your fist. Even though they are relatively small, they do a very big and critically important job, processing a huge volume of fluid every day. Every single day, your kidneys filter an incredible amount of blood, about 150 liters. That's more than 40 gallons. Your entire blood supply passes through them about 40 times a day. To understand how they manage this, let's look inside. Each kidney has three main regions. The outer layer is called the cortex, the inner part is the medulla, and the central collecting area is the renal pelvis. The real work, however, happens in microscopic structures within the cortex and medulla. The entire process begins with blood flow. Unfiltered blood, full of waste, enters the kidney through a large blood vessel called the renal artery. This artery branches into smaller and smaller vessels, like a tree trunk splitting into tiny twigs, delivering blood to the filtering units. Inside the kidney, there are millions of these tiny filters. These filters are called nephrons, and they are the functional units of the kidney. They are the true workhorses. Each kidney has about 1 million nephrons, all working in parallel. It's like having a million tiny cleaning stations operating at once. These tiny, intricate structures are precisely where the multi-step cleaning process happens. Let's break down that process, starting with filtration. First, blood enters a part of the nephron called the glomerulus, which is a tiny, tangled bundle of capillaries. Think of it as the first checkpoint. Here, under pressure, the nephron acts like a very fine sieve or filter. The pressure is key. It physically pushes the liquid part of the blood through the filter walls. Water, waste products like urea, and small useful chemicals like glucose and salts are forced through the filter. This filtered fluid is called filtrate, but important, larger components like red blood cells and essential proteins are too big to pass through. They stay behind in the blood, which is crucial for our health. Losing them would be like throwing away your valuables with the trash. This filtration is just the first step. The initial filtrate contains a lot of things the body can't afford to lose. So, the next critical step is reabsorption. This is where the kidney's intelligence really shines. After this first filter, the filtrate travels through a long, winding tube. Here, the body carefully checks what it still needs and begins to take it back. The kidney is incredibly smart and selectively takes back important things such as most of the water to keep us hydrated, essential salts like sodium and potassium, which are vital for nerve and muscle function, all of the glucose, which our body uses for energy, and other vital minerals. These useful things are reabsorbed from the tubule and go back into the blood to be used by the body. This step is incredibly efficient, reclaiming over 99% of the water that was initially filtered. But the cleaning isn't done yet. There's a third step called secretion. This is like a final targeted cleanup. The capillaries surrounding the tubule actively transport any remaining waste products that didn't get filtered out initially, moving them directly from the blood into the tubule. This includes things like excess potassium, hydrogen ions to balance pH, and certain drug metabolites. It's the kidney's way of double-checking its work. The concentrated waste that the body does not need and did not reabsorb stays inside the kidney tubes. This waste, mixed with the remaining water, slowly becomes urine. So, what is urine made of? It primarily contains extra water the body doesn't need, urea, which is a waste product from protein breakdown, creatinine, a waste from muscle activity, and other extra salts and minerals that the body has in excess. From all the nephrons, urine collects in the renal pelvis and then travels from the kidneys through two thin tubes, called ureters, down to the bladder, which is a muscular, stretchy bag that acts as a temporary storage tank. Later, when the bladder is full, this urine leaves the body when we urinate, but the kidney's job doesn't stop at filtering. They are also master chemists and hormone producers. They release three crucial hormones. First, erythropoietin, or EPO, which tells your bone marrow to make more red blood cells. Without it, you wouldn't have enough oxygen-carrying cells. Second, renin, which is a key player in a system that helps control your blood pressure, telling your blood vessels when to tighten or relax. And third, they produce the active form of vitamin D, which is essential for absorbing calcium from your food and maintaining strong, healthy bones. They are central to maintaining your body's overall balance. This highlights just how critical they are. So, what would happen without kidneys cleaning the blood? Harmful waste would quickly build up in the body, poisoning it from the inside. This condition is known as uremia, and it affects every system in the body. Fluid would collect in the lungs, making it hard to breathe, and in the legs, causing severe swelling. This is because the body can no longer get rid of excess water. Blood pressure could become dangerously high, and the balance of salts and minerals would be thrown into chaos, which can lead to life-threatening heart problems. In short, the body would become very sick, very quickly. That is why having healthy, functioning kidneys is extremely important for survival. Unfortunately, sometimes kidneys stop working well due to disease or injury. This can happen slowly over many years or very suddenly. This condition is called kidney failure. When that happens, waste and excess fluid cannot leave the body normally, leading to the dangerous consequences we just discussed. In these cases, doctors may use a treatment called dialysis to clean the blood. Dialysis acts like an artificial kidney. Blood is taken from the body, passed through a special filter in a machine to remove waste and excess fluid, and then the clean blood is returned to the body. It's a life-saving but time-consuming process. Since our kidneys are so vital, it's important to take care of them. You can help keep your kidneys healthy by staying well hydrated, which helps them flush out waste. Eating a balanced diet low in salt and processed foods, which reduces their workload. Managing your blood pressure and blood sugar, as high levels can damage the delicate filters. And avoiding smoking. Regular checkups with your doctor can also help catch any problems early. So, let's quickly recap the 4 key steps of how kidneys clean your blood. First, filtration. The kidneys filter everything small out of the blood in the glomerulus. Second, reabsorption. They intelligently take back all the good things the body needs, like water, glucose, and minerals, returning them to the blood. Third, secretion. They perform a final cleanup, actively moving any leftover waste from the blood into the tubule. And fourth, excretion. They remove the final waste product, urine, from the body. This entire sophisticated process happens all day, every day, without us ever having to think about it. It's a perfect, self-regulating system. From filtering gallons of blood to balancing your body's chemistry and producing vital hormones, your kidneys are truly amazing and indispensable organs. They are the silent guardians of your internal environment. If you found this detailed explanation helpful and learned something new, please share this video so more people can understand and appreciate their kidney health. A little knowledge can go a long way in protecting these vital organs. Health Talk Made Simple by Aziz.